Friends, Galaxy A71 comes with Android 10.0, One UI 2 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor with octa-core 2.2 GHz with GPU Adreno 618. Whereas Honor X20 SE runs on Android 11, Magic UI 4.0 and powered by MediaTek MT6833 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G57 MC2. If you see the display of this device, you can find 6.7 inches screen size with Super AMOLED display that comes with resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 393 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection. Whereas Honor X20 SE is 6.6 inches device with IPS LCD display having resolution 2400 by 1080 pixels with 399 ppi pixels density. Talking about the internal memory, then Samsung Galaxy A71 is available in two variants. One is 128 GB with 6 GB RAM and the other variant is with 128 GB with 8 GB RAM. That also supports microSD up to 1 TB with dedicated slot. Friends, as far as concerned about colors for this device, then it is produced in Prism, Crush Black, Silver, Blue and Pink colors. Moving on to Honor X20 SE, it is available in two variants of primary storage, that is 128 GB and with 8 GB RAM. The other variant comes in 128 GB with 6 GB RAM, but there is no microSD support. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then you can find this device in black color, green, rose gold and silver colors. If we talk about the dimension of Samsung Galaxy A71, it measures 163.6 by 76 by 7.7 mm of height, width, thickness and 179 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. Whereas Honor X20 SE measures 160.7 by 73.3 by 8.4 mm of height, width, thickness and 179 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Galaxy A71 comes with quad camera like 64, 12, 12 and 5 megapixels with 1.8, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.2 aperture, wide and ultra wide with depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 30 or 240 frames per second and also equipped with 32 megapixels with 2.2 aperture with wide angle HDR secondary camera recording of 1080p at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Honor X20 SE, it comes with triple camera setup, that is 64 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels with 1.9, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures, also with wide angle, macro, depth, PGAF, LED flash, HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos of 1080p at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and also equipped with 16 megapixels with 2.0 wide angle secondary camera, record 1080 video at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Samsung Galaxy A71 you can find under display optical fingerprint scanner with gyro, compass, accelerometer and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast battery charging with 25 watt. This phone is powered by non-removable 4500 mAh battery as well. Whereas Honor X20 SE is integrated with side-mounted fingerprint sensor and also comes with some more sensors like gyroscope, compass, proximity and accelerometer. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, GPS, hotspot, but there is no NFC and no radio. This phone also comes with USB Type-C 2.0 and USB on the go, and also fast charging 22.5 watts. This phone is powered by a non-removable 4000 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.